Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to download and install Microsoft Office 2024 using the Office Deployment Tool method. This is the professional way that IT admins use to install Office, and it gives you much more control over what gets installed. This method is perfect if you want a clean, customized installation. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just setting up a new device, this guide will get you up and running with Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and more. Before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials. Let's get started. If you currently have an older version of Office installed and you want to remove it before installing Office 2024, here's how to do it. Open the Settings app by pressing Windows key plus I, or by clicking the Start button and then clicking the gear icon. Click on Apps in the left sidebar. Then click on Installed Apps or Apps and Features, depending on your Windows version. You'll see a list of all installed programs. Scroll down and look for your current Office version. It might be called Microsoft Office 2019, Microsoft Office 2016, or another version. Click on the three dots next to the Office entry, or click on it to reveal the available options. Click Uninstall. Confirm that you want to uninstall Office by clicking Uninstall again. Windows will begin removing Office from your computer. This process can take a few minutes, so wait for it to complete. Once the uninstallation is finished, I recommend restarting your computer before installing Office 2024. This ensures that all old Office files and background services are fully removed from your system. Alternatively, if you want to keep your old Office version installed alongside Office 2024, you can skip this step entirely. Both versions can coexist on the same computer, but Windows may ask you which version to use when opening Office files. Now, let's move on to the first step. The first thing we need to do is create a configuration file that tells the Office Deployment Tool exactly what to download and install. Open your web browser, any browser works. In the address bar, type config.office.com and press Enter. This takes you to the Microsoft Office Customization tool. This is an official Microsoft website where you can customize your Office installation and generate the configuration file we need. You'll see a page with many options. Don't worry, I'll walk you through the most important settings. First, scroll down and look for the Create a New Configuration section. Click on Create. Next, you need to choose the architecture. I recommend selecting 64-bit unless you specifically need the 32-bit version. 64-bit is better for most modern computers, especially if you have more RAM or large Excel files. From the drop-down menu, find and select Office LTSC Professional Plus 2024 if you have the professional version. If you have a different version, such as Home and Business, select that instead. If you need Visio and Project, select them too. Now, scroll down to the Apps section. Here, you can choose which Office applications you want to install. By default, all apps are selected: Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Publisher, Access, and others. If you don't need certain apps, you can uncheck them to save disk space and reduce installation time. For example, if you don't use Access or Publisher, you can uncheck them. Most people only need Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, so keep those checked. Scroll down to the Language section. Select your preferred language from the drop-down menu. The default is usually correct, but make sure it matches your Windows language to avoid issues later. Now look for the Installation settings. Here you can choose the installation path, but I recommend leaving it as default unless you know exactly what you're doing. Once you've configured everything the way you want, scroll all the way to the bottom or to the right side of the page. You'll see a blue button that says Export. Click on it. A dialog box appears asking you to accept the license terms. Click Accept. A file called configuration.xml will download to your Downloads folder. This XML file contains all your installation settings. Keep this file safe. We'll need it in the next step. Now we need to download the Office Deployment Tool itself. This is the official Microsoft tool that reads our configuration file and downloads Office. Go back to your browser and open a new tab. Search for Office Deployment Tool or go to microsoft.com/download and search for Office Deployment Tool. Click on the official Microsoft download page. Make sure it's from Microsoft.com, not a third-party website. Below the top Download Center categories, click on Office. You'll see a page describing the Office Deployment Tool. Click on it. Then click the blue Download button. A file called Office Deployment Tool followed by some numbers will start downloading. This is a small executable file, usually around 3 megabytes. Wait for the download to complete. Now we need to prepare a folder where we'll extract the Office Deployment Tool and place our configuration file. Open File Explorer by pressing Windows key plus E. Navigate to the Downloads folder and copy the downloaded files. On your desktop, right-click in an empty space and select New, then Folder. Name this new folder Office. You can name it anything you want, but Office is easier to remember. Double-click to open this new Office folder. Now paste the downloaded files inside. Next, find the Office Deployment Tool executable file you downloaded. Double-click on it to run it. A license agreement window appears. Read it, and then check the box that says Click here to accept the Microsoft Software license terms. Click Continue. It will ask where you want to extract the files. Click Browse, go to Desktop, and select your Office folder. Click OK to extract the files to that location. Several files will be extracted, including setup.exe. This is the actual Office deployment tool. Click OK to close the extraction window. Now go back to your Office folder. You should see setup.exe, configuration.xml, and several other sample XML files. Now we're ready for the installation. Now comes the exciting part, downloading and installing Office 2024. First, inside the Office folder, click the address bar and copy the full folder path. Now we need to open Command Prompt with administrator rights. Click the Start button and type CMD or Command Prompt. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes on the User Account Control prompt. A black Command Prompt window opens. Now type CD and then paste the folder path. Make sure you type or paste the exact path where you created your folder. If you named it differently or placed it somewhere else, adjust the path accordingly. Press Enter. Now type dir to check that the files are there. You should see setup.exe and configuration.xml. Now we're ready to start the download and installation. Type this command, setup.exe/configure/configuration.xml. Let me explain what this command does. Setup.exe is the Office deployment tool. /configure tells it to use a configuration file. Configuration.xml is the file we created on config.office. Press Enter to execute the command. A Microsoft Office window will appear, saying something like Installing Office or We're getting things ready. The tool will now download the installation files directly from Microsoft servers based on your configuration. You'll see a progress bar showing download and installation progress. This process can take anywhere from 15 to 45 minutes depending on your internet speed, so be patient. Don't close the window and don't turn off your computer. Once the installation reaches 100%, the window will either close automatically or show a completed message. If you see a close button, click it. Office 2024 is now installed on your computer. Now let's verify that Office installed correctly. Click the Start button, Scroll through your apps or search for Word or Excel. You should see the Office 2024 apps in your Programs list: Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Outlook, and any other apps you selected. Click on Word to open it. The first time you open an Office app, it may take a moment to initialize. Word opens and shows the Start screen with templates. Click on Blank Document to create a new document. Word should open fully, showing the ribbon interface with all your tools. Congratulations! Office 2024 is successfully installed. Now you need to activate Office using your valid product key. With Word still open, click File in the top left corner. Click Account in the left sidebar. On the right side, look for Product Information. If it shows Activation Required or Unlicensed, click Activate Product or Change Product Key. A window appears asking for your 25-character product key. Type your 25-character product key carefully. Make sure you enter it exactly as written, with the correct dashes if required. Click Install or Activate. Office will connect to Microsoft servers to verify your key. After a moment, you should see Product Activated with a green checkmark. If you see an error, double-check your product key for typos. Also make sure it's a valid Office 2024 key, not a key from an older version. Once activated, close the Account window. Your Office 2024 is now fully installed and activated, and you can use all the features without limitations. And that's it! You now know how to install Microsoft Office 2024 using the Office Deployment Tool method. Remember, you still need a valid Office 2024 license or product key. This method does not provide a free license. It's simply a professional installation method for users who already own Office. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech guides. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if you encountered any issues during the installation. Thanks for watching and enjoy your Office 2024. See you in the next video.